Today, cars have become one of the primary needs in life, even for teenagers. There are lots of teenagers out there that go to school by car. Unfortunately, due to their lack of maturity, teenagers tend to get involved in car crashes that often lead to death. That said, if you have a teenage child, you may now hesitate to let him drive a car on his own. However, as a matter of fact, this is not the right solution. What you should do instead is to consider signing up your teenage child with a teenage car or motor insurance policy. It is true that with such a protection, there'll be costs you'll have to pay. It is also true that the costs may turn out to be quite high. However, if this is what you are thinking, imagine your beloved teenage child crashing the car while he is driving it. The costs you'll have to pay then will be higher compared to if your child is insured in a car insurance policy. Besides, there are quite a few things you can do to lower the costs for the policy. First, you can find information regarding the teenage car insurance policies offered by various companies and compare their quotes. Try to figure out the deal that you think fit you and your pocket best. Then, the next thing you can do is to provide necessary information to your teenage child regarding how they can help reduce the costs for their car insurance policy. To start it off, having a clean driving record, meaning they have never got involved in any car crashes, will often make a teenager eligible for discounts in getting themselves protected. In addition to that, there are not few companies out there that will be more than happy to give discounts to teenagers that manage to earn a GPA of 3.0. Taking part in driving safety classes will often qualify your teenage child for insurance discounts as well. The next thing you can do is to recommend a considerably slow or safe car to your teenage child. Insurance companies usually consider this kind of cars to be quite far from car crashes. Therefore, it is better for your teenage child to choose such a car as a Honda Civic rather than a Ferrari, as the latter will significantly increase the costs of the teenage car insurance. To insurance companies, a sports or fast car has a pretty high tendency to get involved in a car crash. Adding safety equipments onto a car can also reduce the costs you'll have to pay for the teenage car insurance policy. Seatbelts, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, front and side curtain airbags, and traction control are just a few of the safety equipments to name. Last but not least, your teenage child will also be eligible for discounts in their protection if he takes part in a particular social organization such as Eagle Scouts. Most insurance companies are willing to charge lower teenage car insurance rates to teenagers that help make the community better. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.